So now we've got our add handler, let's go ahead and create the delete handler as well. So I'm just going to create another new class, and this time, really simply, just going to call it delete. And what I'm going to do here is just pretty much copy most of what we've got inside our add handler. So I'm just going to copy the entire command into my clipboard along with the handler, because we're going to need most of the same stuff inside here. And what I'll also do is I'll just copy the using statements as well and paste them inside here also, just to save a bit of time, because it's mostly going to be pretty much the same thing. And I'll just reformat. So just to go through it, we still need to get the username of the user that we're going to unfollow in this case, and what we're doing here is deleting the following from our database. That means we also need the same things being injected. We need our data context as well as the user accessor. And the handler, we still need to get our observer and the target, and these are going to stay the same as well. And we also want to make sure the target is not null. And we also want to get the following from the database. And this time we want to check to see if the following is null, because if they're trying to delete a following and they're not already following a user, then we don't want to allow that, because it's simply not going to be possible. And we'll just say in the message here, you are not following this user. And then in the case that the following is not equal to null, all we want to do in this case is remove the following. So I'll just take out the creation of the new following, and we'll replace this with context.followings, remove the following. And the rest of this can stay the same as well. So those are our two handlers, pretty straightforward. And what we'll look at next is creating our new controller for this, and then we'll test the functionality.